Put 4 services on one side of the screen and one bundle on the other. The separate services add up to more. The bundle costs less. At first glance, the decision seems finished before it has even begun. But that price comparison contains a hidden assumption. It treats every included service as if the customer would have bought every one separately. Bundle versus standalone allocation works by pooling several component prices into one combined amount. That can create a real discount, but it can also make the value of each individual component harder to see. Start with 4 separate tiles. One for music, one for television, one for games, one for cloud storage. Each tile has its own monthly price. Together, they form a complete standalone basket. Now, compress those 4 tiles into one larger block with one bundle price. The total falls, the number of transactions falls, and the separate component prices disappear inside the combined offer. That compression is useful. A customer does not have to choose, activate, and manage every service independently. One bill can replace several. The bundle can make it easier to try a service that would otherwise be ignored. It can also create a broader relationship with the provider because several products now sit inside one subscription. The business and the customer can benefit at the same time. The customer may receive more services for less than the full standalone total. The provider may gain wider adoption across its product set, lower transaction effort, and a customer who has more reasons to remain inside the bundle. Those incentives can align without every component being equally valuable to every subscriber. The first important reveal is the comparison basket itself. A bundle saving is usually calculated against a defined set of standalone components. That benchmark may be completely accurate, but it is still a benchmark built from the entire set. It answers how much the bundle costs compared with buying everything separately. It does not automatically answer whether a particular customer wanted everything in the first place. Apple One Individual provides a clear, bounded example. On Apple's United States page, accessed on July 12, 2026, the individual plan was displayed at $19.95 per month. It included Apple Music Individual, Apple TV, Apple Arcade, and 50 gigabytes of iCloud Plus storage. Apple also displayed the standalone monthly prices assigned to those services. Apple Music Individual was $10.99. Apple TV was $12.99. Apple Arcade was $6.99. The 50 gigabyte iCloud Plus plan was 99 cents. Added together, the complete standalone basket came to $31.96. Against that full basket, Apple displayed a saving of $12 per month, or 31%. The comparison is straightforward. $19.95 is lower than $31.96. Now return to the 4-tile diagram. The full standalone basket remains on the left. The pooled bundle remains on the right. Add a label under the left side, Complete Basket Benchmark. That label changes how the saving should be interpreted. The discount is measured against all 4 services, not against a smaller set chosen around one person's actual use. This is where pooled pricing changes the comparison architecture. Once the separate component prices are compressed into one total, the customer can see the size of the discount more easily than the distribution of value inside the bundle. The bundle price is visible. The contribution of each component to that price is not. Research on bundling helps explain why that matters. Bundles can reduce the effort required to search for, compare, and assemble separate products. Several items may also begin to feel like one combined product rather than 4 independent decisions. That makes the offer easier to process, but it can reduce attention to the value of each component on its own. Service bundles can also increase cross-use. A customer who enters for one product may begin using another because access is already included. In some markets, bundles are also associated with higher switching costs because leaving one package can mean replacing several services. Those are general bundling mechanisms. They help explain why providers create combined offers and why customers may find them convenient. The deeper conflict appears when the actual use set is added. Place a second rail beneath the bundle. Instead of showing everything that is included, show only the components a hypothetical customer expects to use. Some tiles stay active, others become inactive, but they remain inside the paid bundle. Consider one hypothetical customer who mainly wants Apple Music Individual and 50 gigabytes of iCloud Plus storage. Using the displayed standalone prices, that smaller 2-service set totals $11.98 per month. For that use pattern, the $19.95 bundle remains cheaper than the complete 4-service basket, but it costs more than the 2 services the customer actually expects to use. Now change the hypothetical use pattern. Another customer already wants Apple Music Individual and Apple TV. Those 2 displayed standalone prices total $23.98. For that customer, Apple One Individual is already lower than the price of the 2 wanted services, before any value is assigned to Apple Arcade or the included storage. The bundle has not changed. The documented full basket discount has not changed. What changes is the overlap between the included component set and the customer's actual use set. That overlap explains why the same bundle can produce different outcomes without either outcome being contradictory. For one subscriber, the bundle may lower the cost of services already wanted and add useful extras. For another, it may include several paid-for components that remain unused or contribute little value. The lower combined price is real in both cases. The personal value is not identical. This also explains why assigning a precise value to each bundled component is difficult. The bundle is sold as one product at one price. There is no official rule saying that a fixed share of the $19.95 belongs to music, another share to television, and another share to games. The customer receives access to the package, not a transparent internal price allocation. That opacity is not necessarily a defect. It is part of what allows the provider to offer one simple price and move value across components. A service that is expensive on its own may help make the bundle look attractive. A service with lower standalone demand may gain users through inclusion. The package can spread acquisition, billing, and retention effects across the whole set. The trade-off is that the headline saving becomes easier to see than the fit between the bundle and the customer's own usage. The customer sees one discount against a complete basket. The less visible issue is whether the basket being used for comparison resembles the basket that customer would actually assemble. The Apple pages establish the current United States composition and displayed price comparison as of July 12, 2026. They do not show how much any subscriber uses each service, how often components go unused, or why Apple set the bundle exactly this way. The academic research explains general bundling mechanisms, not Apple-specific intent or customer behavior. Bundles can also provide real convenience and value when the included services match what a person already wants. Unused value is therefore a possible outcome for some users, not a universal verdict on the bundle or proof of deception. Return to the diagram one final time. Keep the complete standalone basket at the top. Keep the pooled bundle price beside it. Then place the actual use rail underneath. The top comparison shows the documented discount. The lower rail shows where personal value is created. The strongest fit appears when most of the included tiles overlap with the active use tiles. The bundle reduces the combined cost while simplifying access and billing. As the overlap becomes smaller, more of the paid package sits outside the customer's use. The advertised saving can remain unchanged even while the useful share of the bundle falls. That is the central trade-off in bundle allocation. Pooling creates simplicity, convenience, and a lower combined price. The same pooling makes component-level value less visible. The bundle may encourage cross-use, but it can also leave some included access unused. A bundle should therefore be understood as a set, not just as a discount. Its headline saving measures the gap between one package and the complete standalone basket. Its practical value depends on how much of that package overlaps with what the customer actually uses. Picture two circles. One contains everything included. The other contains everything used. The closer those circles are to matching, the more the bundle's discount reflects real value for that customer. The farther they separate, the more the lower combined price can include paid-for value that never becomes useful.